If you're tired of the default font on your iPhone and want to give it a fresh new look, you might be wondering if there's a way to change it. While Apple doesn't allow full system-wide font customization, there are still ways to personalize the fonts used in certain apps and while typing. So let's get started about how you can do it. Since changing the system-wide font isn't an option yet, you can use a workaround through accessibility settings to modify how text appears when typing. So open Settings, then navigate to Accessibility, scroll down to the Keyboards and Typing section under the Accessories category, and tap on it, then hover Typing and enable it. This feature allows you to see the text in a different font while typing. Tap on the fonts option after enabling hover typing. Select any font from the list to apply it. Now that you've selected a custom font, go back to your home screen and open any messaging app like iMessage, WhatsApp, or Notes. Start typing and you'll see your selected font appear in a hover text display above the keyboard. This lets you preview the font while you type, adding a stylish and personalized touch to your messages. If this isn't what you're looking for, make sure to disable hover typing from the settings. If you're looking for even more customization options, you can download third-party font keyboard apps from the App Store. To begin, open the App Store and search for fonts. You'll see a variety of apps available. You can browse through them and download the one that suits best to your style. Once the app is installed, the next step is to enable it as a keyboard. Now open the app. And tap on Set Now to allow permissions. Navigate to Keyboards. Toggle on fonts and also enable Allow Full Access. Now, to start using your new fonts, go back and open any messaging or social media app. When the keyboard appears, press and hold the globe icon. And switch to fonts. Then tap over here and you'll now see a variety of font styles to choose from. Pick one and start typing with your new customized look. These font keyboards can be used in iMessage, WhatsApp, Instagram, and even some email apps, making your text stand out with a unique style. And that's it. Now you can enjoy a fresh new look for your iPhone's text without changing the system font. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.